My background is I started, trained and practiced at an international law firm. From there I went in-house and was General Counsel at FTSE 250.
My background's in client and project management.
I qualified as a corporate commercial lawyer in 2002 in a local regional firm. 5 years later I joined one of the largest law firms in the world in their corporate team.
Well, as for my IT skills, minimal to say the least. I could do Word or PowerPoint, but apart from that I really had no experience in IT at all.
I'd say I had a reasonable competency in sort of Microsoft products, Word, Excel, but certainly no IT background, no sort of coding expertise or developmental expertise whatsoever.
If somebody said to me several months ago that I'd be working with a platform like this and using skills like this, I'd have just laughed at them and said, oh, no chance, not a chance.
What surprised me most about this particular project and all the technologies that we're developing is that on the one hand they're so easy to use, so intuitive, but on the other hand they're really sophisticated tools that enable non-IT personnel to be able to do very, very complex things in terms of capturing data and information and developing workflows and processes.
I think the thing that surprised me the most is coming from very little IT skills background, it's been the ability to learn so quickly how to make these tools work.
What surprised me most about the experience I've had with the software is that it's easy to use. I've always feared that the older we get, the harder it is to learn, but it is really, really easy to use, so I've surprised myself in so many ways.
The key to what we're doing is that it frees lawyers up to do the law, so it takes away huge amounts of the everyday stuff that lawyers do and allows them to focus on providing that absolutely critical legal advice that helps support the business function.
Prior to being at Riverview Law, I worked in-house. If we had had tools like this, our ability to deliver to the business the information, the management information that this tool delivers, the advantages would have been enormous. It's always so difficult when you're in-house to be able to show how successful you as a legal team are being. You're constantly being driven by success is you don't have to return to the contract, but that's really difficult to show the value of. This MI allows you to show what you're bringing to the business.